Wow. We are killing the markets, guys. We are killing the markets. 31,000 USD profits running. Wow, guys. This is FX Coach your mentor, and we're back again with another banger. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In this video, guys, I'll be basically showing you how to grow a small account and continuously keep on withdrawing over and over again. Hopefully, you guys will want more out of your life. Make sure you watch this video up until the end. If you also want to start to make money from zero, make sure you watch this video up until the end, as we have left the secrets at the end of the video. Nonetheless, this episode is your mentor. Let's get it.
So guys, as you all know, we always turn our phone horizontally and switch to line chart, and also make sure we are on a daily time frame. So right now, guys, I'm basically going to start looking for my sensitive areas in order to determine our supply and demand. And the reason why we're looking for our supply and demand is so that we're able to know when the buyers are coming in, or also when are the sellers coming in. After we are done applying our high and low strategy, we are now going to use our second strategy, which is the trends in trends. With the trends in trends, I'm able to determine what kind of a trend I'm in, and how do I discover that? It's basically looking for higher highs and higher low, which basically determines that I'm in a bullish trend. Understanding why I'm in a bullish trend gives me an advantage of knowing that buyers are actually more stronger than sellers because we're in a bullish market. And all my areas whereby I have higher highs and higher lows, that then serves as reversals for me. So now let me dive in deeper to 4-hour time frame to look for opportunities of entry. So right now I'm basically going to start marking my sensitive areas, starting first with my support, whereby I'm seeing that the market actually failed to break below, which that serves as my floor. And right now I'm looking for the nearest resistance in the market, because I'm actually trying to spot out where the market can actually fail to cross above if I'm looking for buyers. And what I can tell you guys is, because the market hasn't crossed above, I would then in turn use my orders. You have to understand that as a trader, guys, you are given a lot of equipment or tools to utilize as a trader. If you feel like you don't want to take a premature entry, you are able to use orders. As you can see right now, this is what I'm about to do. So now I'm done saving my orders, guys. Orders help me to basically practice being patient. You have to understand that as a trader, guys, you need to learn to be patient. So secondly, guys, I'm going to analyze my next pair, which is still going to be a currency instrument, USD Swiss franc. So guys, as you all know, we always turn our phone horizontally, and we start from a daily time frame or a weekly time frame. Always make sure that when you analyze, you start from a bigger time frame and then you dive in deeper, so that you still understand the overall view of where the market is going. From our weekly time frame, I'm able to determine that we are actually in a consolidation. As you can see, I'm using an aid of resistance and support. So I'm able to see that the market is actually bouncing in between this area over here. However, I can also see that currently what the market is, we slightly have a bullish trend towards the upside. Right now, I'm marking all the higher lows and the higher highs. With that, I'm able to understand that the market actually has reversals. As you can see, I'm actually going to place my middle sensitive area so that you can see currently where the market failed to cross below. From my understanding already, guys, I know that if the market crosses below our support area right there, will then turn into sellers. However, if the market fails to break below, the market will then respect our bias towards the upside. Right now, I'm going to use the high and low strategy for the daily time frame. I need to mark out all the sensitive areas so that I'm able to look for potential reversals. Understand that, guys, when you look for sensitive areas, you need to look for areas whereby we have more than one touch, so that you know that the market actually respects such areas, and you are most likely to expect a reversal again in the future. So right now, let me dive into a 4-hour time frame to look for entry opportunities. Using the trends in trend strategy, I can see that in our 4-hour time frame, we actually have a bearish trend. That is because I can see that we have lower highs and lower lows. So with that, I know that the market is most likely to have strong sellers than strong buyers if you're looking for entry opportunities. However, guys, I'm now going to mark all the sensitive areas to determine our supply and demand. Currently, guys, I can see that the market is actually above our support and also below our resistance. meaning that any entry that I take from this point would be a premature entry if I'm making a market execution. So I'm going to use a buy stop order because I'm in a bullish trend overall. If the market breaks above our resistance in a bearish trend, I know that we're going to have strong buyers towards the upside. Now I'm done with my second orders for the day, so that means that I still don't have any active trades, which means I'm going to analyze the next instrument, which is still going to be a currency pair, USD. So guys, I'm sure most of you are wondering, why is it that every time I always start from a bigger time frame? According to my trading plan, guys, this is what I have to do. Remember that to be a professional trader, you need to have a set of rules that you apply each and every time, so that you're able to understand the market from your own type of strategy. That's how you can improve as a trader. Right now, I'm using the high and low strategy to basically mark out all the sensitive areas that we have in the market. On our weekly time frame, I can already see that we have a bullish trend because we have higher highs and higher lows. Let me simply mark out the trend so that you can see it. Once I'm done, I'm going to turn back into candlestick. After that, I'll dive in deeper so that I can continue analyzing the market from a daily time frame. Now I'm going to finish up my USDT analysis by using the high and low strategy, basically marking all the sensitive areas we have in the market whereby we have a lot of reversals. Reversals in the past will help us to have potential reversals in the future. It looks like for USDT we have a sell setup formed, and after looking at fundamentals, basically that will serve as my confirmation for the reason that we're actually going bearish. So right now I'm going to finish up my analysis and actually take a few trades. One thing I want you guys to know is that when you are a trader, always use proper risk management. As you've seen, all the lot sizes I'm using here is only 0.01, and make sure that after you enter your trades, put stop loss and take profit so that you're able to protect your account against any type of circumstances if the market decides to go the opposite way. We are done for the day, guys. That is how I basically trade. I make sure that each and every time I pay myself, and I only use a minimum of 2 strategies on each account type. This way I'm able to focus on what I have and what the market can give me. Always make sure, guys, you're a profitable trader. Nonetheless, this is Coach your mentor signing out.
And remember, in Forex we're talking about money. We came in this game for money. We came in this game to earn a living. So we are not here to play games.